name's John Moffat. I'm the founder and CEO of the Structure Battery Company. Structure batteries. Batteries that can take a mechanical load and store electrical energy. They are based on a sandwich panel design where two shear panels separated by a core material, and it's that core material that's made of cylindrical cells bonded together in a hexagonal pattern. And you bolt that sandwich panel into your frame, which it could be a chassis, a hull, an airframe, a satellite, that gives you the strength and energy storage. So it's very simple to make because it's based on cylindrical cells, but the unique selling points are it's safer, lighter, stronger and scalable. So we've done a number of milestones and we've got to TRL 6 with an aerospace prototype. So ISS Aerospace have got this heavy lift drone, a drone that can lift 220 kilograms, 100 kilometers. It's a 400 volt parallel hybrid system. It's a small helicopter, right? That is enormous. That could do huge resupply. It can do casualty evacuation at reach, which is amazing. And from that project, we've got our first product called Drone Spine, which is this quadcopter airframe, and it'll be able to lift 480 kilograms. One of the two spaces that batteries have very little competition is where you can't burn a liquid fuel. That's in space or underwater. Actually, we've got a European Space Agency project to look at structural batteries in satellites where we free up volume for more payload, which gives better value for money launch costs. And the other area we're starting to explore is subsurface, where we can put things in the water at depth with a battery that is potentially pressure tolerant, so we don't need a heavy pressure vessel to protect it. The battery is strong enough to look after itself. So what would really help the Structure Battery Company is collaborations. So if anyone's got a problem or wants to go further with what they've got in terms of energy, or wants to carry more because either they're volume constrained or mass constrained, then we can help.